Looking for a great way to connect with other talents in your community, to meet more artists, both the upcoming and the masters in your community. Trust me, going to galleries, attending exhibitions are the best way you can. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a tour of an exhibition by Society of Nigerian Association (SNA) as they use Gemini Art Gallery for the exhibition. So if you like more content like this, kindly click on the like and subscribe button. My name is Curate and welcome to my channel. Do you know that as an artist you can actually get stuck in your creative cycle? You can have what we call the artist block, and some of the best way to get it out is just visit exhibitions and see galleries, see new artworks from other people. Every artwork speaks a different meaning because they are created by each individual also. And personally, I believe that every artist in their works create a piece of their soul for you to see, for you to experience. So one of the major things I recommend is for you to step out and go out of the comfort of your house and look at what other people are creating. It sparks a curiosity in you, it gives you an idea, the material experimentation, the technique and the patterns, and there's just so much more you can learn by just attending art exhibition.
We are at Arts Gallery. Art Gallery. Okay, sorry, I'm able to get to my side. So we came here to do some showcasing and seeing things here, and believe me, art is beautiful. When you get here, you confused. You see art in diversify, in mix, in textile, but it's all art. So seriously, you sit down.
I would love to say that every piece of art, from the sculpture, ceramics, textile, especially in an exhibition where you're not just having to look at painting, where you are looking at all the spheres of art in general. There is so much more to be learned, there's so much more to be assimilated, there's so much more to be talked about. And I found art as a therapy for me, to relax my mind, to have a new idea, to wash away the things I've had in my brain, and to also help me bring to life some of the ideas I have before. Sometimes I just want to do some things in a certain way, but after attending exhibition I decide to go it in a whole way around. Experiment and experiment. As an artist, you definitely don't want to keep stuck to the kind of art that you create. You are a figurative artist, you don't want to keep creating figurative artists. You want to have a blending of every aspect of art. You want to create landscape, you want to go a little bit urban, you want to go a little bit into animals, you want to go a little bit versatile. It doesn't mean you don't focus on being your figurative art. It just means you want to be a little bit diversified. So one of the great ways to see how people experiment with materials, with techniques, with mediums is to actually go out and visit what they're doing. Look at how they experiment with the materials. Look at how they experiment around everything, and then try to see what you can add, what you can remove, try to jot down. Definitely may not need them at the moment, but trust me, you definitely do later on. Thank you so much for staying through to the end of my video. If you want to see more video like this, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Remember to give my video a thumbs up and please hit the notification bells as well so you get notified anytime I create new content. And if you definitely like to stick around, I would recommend you watch this video and this other video. Peace out. Bye.